Hello, viewers, and welcome to Africa and Beyond Television Network. And this evening, we are looking at Mabasa Ezesa. In ZANU-PF, people are equally affected by Emmerson Mnangagwa's incompetency, the same way the opposition is affected. When we speak, they say we hate, but I'm glad that they are feeling the same things we have been talking about. When we say ZANU-PF has failed, they were actually calling us names, this and that. This is mfekane, tenda izinyama, kamkomana joga kumarale ZANU-PF, kachizvita kakapenga stereki. Right now, he's saying, Zesama 1, it's now 36 hours, no electricity in my wood. So imagine, kana one nyama iri mfiriji, uchita ano wakatenga ukambudzi kako kana tuhuku twako, uchichi ugone kupedza mwedzi. 36 hours is not something chiri tolerable zvekuti nyama inenge chiri right. Nemapisira kuri kuita, what it means is you are likely going to lose. So, the problem with ZANU-PF people is that they act as if they are spared. Kana kwa kunyaya dzechipatara vanoita sekuti vane zvavo zviri special, kana dzanyaya dzemagetsi vanoita sekuti vane avo ari special, kana dziri nyaya dzezvikoro vanoita sekuti vane zvavo zviri special. Vari kufurirwa nevanhu vari kutop, vari kumusoro, who can afford to send their kids to best schools, to best hospitals, vanogona kuita magenerator nemasolar system, mabackup power systems. Yet ivo havana zvese izvozvozvo. So when these things happen, isusu techingoti ndikoko, because isusu takatogara takatozviziva ndozvazviri tikatotenga masolar systems as a backup. 6 Papi says muhondo macomrades. Muhondo macomrades aita 72 days asina kuona chinonzi magetsi pamberi nehondo. So this looks like an insult, but ichokwadi zvikanzi matimadini kusvika masvinura. You support bullshit every day, enjoy. Zvikanzi 2030 inenge ichipo Zesa. So these are the comrades who are saying 2030 anenge achipo. Izvo zvichidai so achiri makusenano utunga husati hwatsvuka. Then vakutotanga kutochema zvikanzi sunga jombo tiende zvikanzi usati Zesa, it is ZANU 1. Zvikanzi this is not Zesa, we have a regional crisis that has affected the entire SAPP grid. Okay, so this is Graham, who is trying to run away from reality. There is a man called Wikino Chivayo who is dishing out cars, who was given money to build the Wange solar system, but he failed to do that. And right now, they are scapegoating and they are running around trying to blame others for failure. So Tinashe says you should engage your government that you defend ever so vigorously. When we say ZANU-PF has failed, that what many don't understand is that their failures have no respect of political boundaries. That is true. Failure is failure. Road accidents, tine tirimo tese muroad dzakafa. Pasina mabridge tese tiri kuvharirwa nemvura. This is a common problem which must be, which must be dealt with as it is. It doesn't need political bootlicking. It doesn't need anything else. Tenga solar. So they were celebrating George Charamba paiti dunu tenga solar dununu. And they teach batati no says returns matununu getting masola. Evo maritza zotenga masola havana. Zvikanzi naHouston, this is taona zvikanzi sunga jombo tiende zvikanzi vakwa nevene vayo baba. And this is true. So this is what is happening. ZANU-PF people are reaping the fruits of having Emmerson Mnangagwa as the president of the Republic of Zimbabwe. Vasina kwekutizira vakuchema namo yanjada njani.